In this video, I will show you how to create an error wrong mark icon animation. Let's get straight to it. Now come here, then you choose like the color red, obviously. Come here, bring this up a little bit, just like that. Click there, and then I click add. There's so many ways you can create the circle, but the easiest way for me personally, just go straight to filters. You come here, then you go straight to drop circle. Go to drop circle, then we're gonna drop this like the way we want it. So that is my circle. Then after that, I'll just come here, go straight to color, and you come straight to here, go to white, then you click OK, then you add straight to timeline, then you bring this to the beginning. Then that's what we have. Come to filters, you come here, then you go straight to crop rectangle. Then this is what we have. Just drag this and make it very small, just like that. Then you won't be able to see your background, you'll be black. So just come here and click transparent, then just make sure you drag this so that you can see the center. Zoom this in, go straight to the corner, so you can have it, so you can drag it like just like that, and make sure you're going back to the center that way. Then from the center, you can see now is like do not enter sign. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna just zoom in, just make sure it's exactly what we want. So we just keep it like this. I'm not sure it's too small or what, but you can just make sure like it's exactly what you want. So I'll just keep it like this. I think for me this can work. Just make sure it's straight in the center. See, just make sure it's straight in the center. Okay, I'll just keep it like that. And the next thing that you have to do, just make sure you click, go up where you see position, just click there. Then you know it will just send you here and it will create like the first keyframe. Just come straight on 1 second, just drag that keyframe, you put it there, then you go straight to the beginning. You already know, like I really love to do this separately, but in this video I don't know what actually happened. I just want to do it everything in the single so make sure it's just like there. Then when you come here, you see it will also increase the size, so you gotta just make sure it's on the same length. That's why we like to do it in different drop functions, because we don't want it to increase in size as it grows gradually. So let's see. So that's exactly what I want. Just come here, go straight here, then you go straight to size and position, select that, then you just drag this and rotate it a little bit, just like that. Then you go straight to your timeline. From your timeline, make sure you're in the beginning, click Ctrl I, then you just copy that, click Ctrl C, then you make sure you're on video track number 4, click Ctrl V. They have 2 things. Just come here, then you just have to drag this and put movie, adjust it like the way you want to adjust it. Then you can just maybe here what you want to do it. Sometimes you can also add another position, a different position. Let's come here, actually add a position to move everything at once. So I will just come here, then add my position. Then I know after this point maybe I should bounce, so I'll just create that. Then I'll just move maybe once. Yeah, I know it's totally full, so I'll just create another keyframe there. Then I'll come straight once. I just make sure like it's going up there. Then you can just move it back. From here I want it to be back on 100. Okay, you can just adjust it. I don't know why my low, but you can just move this a little bit up like this. Then you just click option here, go straight here, go straight to smooth. Then from here you can also just use smooth here. Then towards the end, come here, go straight here, go to ease out, use bounce so that it can bounce towards the end. Then what you will do, just go to click copy the current one, you just copy the size and position with the keyframes. Then we gotta put it straight here, so have like the keyframes, you see, so you also at the same position. So that's it. This is how like the final version will look like. Thank you so much guys. I hope to see you on the next video. Please do let me know what I should do next. Feel blessed.